Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to automatically caption the video and audio content of a PowerPoint file. Let's begin. First, log into your account and upload your file. Once it's done, check the Create Audio, Video Caption option. Then click on Confirm to start your import. In the Preview section of your video, you can scroll down to see the subtitles that will appear under your video. This feature can support multiple languages: Arabic, Catalan, Chinese, German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Filipino, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish and Vietnamese. This automatic captioning feature is still experimental, so you'll probably have to do some corrections manually because of misspelling or punctuation. To do so, you can click on each section of the subtitles, modify the text as much as you want, then click on Update for each section. After all your modifications are done, don't forget to click on Update Final Video at the top of the screen. You can watch the video online on the automate.video platform by sharing a link, or you can download the video. If you download it, you'll get an MKV file that works like an MP4 file but with subtitles that can be read by a lot of different software and while being offline. Let's watch the result on the platform first.
So we found two sets of findings. The first set of findings was that we called these market competing strategic moves.
And now, with the MKV file that we just downloaded.
So we found two sets of findings. The first set of findings was that we called these market competing strategic moves.
Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.